What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we are smoking some frog legs. Let's do it. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Does that sound like a frog? I don't know. But we have ourselves some thick boys, some frog legs. Don't let them scare you. There's some great meat on frog legs. Very comparable to chicken. A little bit of a fishy element in there. Some good eating for the whole family. If the kids are scared, just sing them a song. Ready? Here we go. There's a frog in the pond, branch, a log in the hole, in the bottom of the sea. There's a frog in the pond, there's a frog, there's a frog in the bottom of the sea. Hey! Family sing-alongs, good food. Everyone's gonna be jumping for these frog legs. Get it? You're jumping? All right. So I did not brine these frog legs. You can brine them if it helps you sleep at night, go for it. So to start, I have some duck fat spray. We're gonna spray down your frog legs. Just a good coat on each side. Flip them over. Beautiful. And then we have some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. It's not gator, but frog's pretty close. And this is gonna go really great on the frog legs. So we're gonna cover them up, give a good coating. I have some stuff for a marinade here that I'm gonna put our frog legs in. You can put your Uncle Steve's Shake or whatever rub that you choose to use in with the marinade, but when you put them on like this first, it gives you a good idea of how much rub you're really using. And the rub's gonna mix in with this marinade. So our marinade, we got ourselves a plastic bag. We're putting everything right in the bag. A half a cup of white wine, a quarter cup of lemon juice, a tablespoon of minced garlic, get it all in there, 2 teaspoons of parsley, and that's it. This is gonna mix with our Gator Shake and all those spices in this marinade. Gonna be tasty. Get your frog legs into your bag with the marinade. Close up your bag. Shake her up. Get that marinade infused with the frog legs and that shake. Awesome. So we are going to put our frog legs in the fridge for 4 hours to marinate. You can go overnight, not going to hurt. The longer the better. Make sure you mix them around every once in a while just to make sure that marinade's covering all of the legs. Then in 4 hours, we'll take them out, we'll go throw them on the smoker. Alright, so our frog legs have been marinating in the fridge for 4 hours. Let's go pop them on the Po Man. Alright y'all, so we got our Po Man grill up to 225 degrees and we're rolling with some pecan and cherry wood chunks for this smoke. I'm taking advantage of the skewers that come with this Po Man grill and putting the frog legs right on, but if you're just popping them right in any smoker, you can put them right on the grill grate, you'll be good. For frog legs, we're looking for an internal temp of 160. I'm gonna pull them at about 150 because then I'm gonna let the Po Man climb and finish him over direct heat. Delicious. So stay close to your smoker and we'll see you at 150 and we'll let the Po Man climb. So our frog legs have reached an internal temp of 150. Let's take a look. And we're looking mighty tasty. So we're gonna take our frog legs off our skewers here. So we're gonna let our Po Man grill climb to finish this cook, but before we do, we're just gonna add a little bit more duck spray to our frog legs. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice. And add a little bit more of a rub, or Uncle Steve's Shake. Tent your frog legs. All right, we got our frog legs tented. Let's let the heat climb on our Po Man. So to get the heat up on our Po Man grill, we're gonna take out the rack. Take out this drip pan. We're gonna add a couple fresh chunks on and let it flame up. Move this rack one space down, put it back on. So we left the lid off for a few minutes to let those wood chunks burn. We got a good flame going. We're gonna unwrap our frog legs. Pop them right on the rack. So get your grill nice and hot. These won't take long. We're only gonna put them on for about a minute or two on each side, then we'll pull them and eat. And with that, our frog legs are complete. To kind of recap what we did a little bit, we sprayed our frog legs in a little bit of duck fat spray, covered it in our Uncle Steve's Gator Shake rub, mixed it all together in our white wine marinade for 4 hours, put them on our smoker at 225, let it climb to 150 internal, then put them over direct heat for about 2 minutes on each side. A quick smoke, great cook, and some delicious looking frog legs. Some great color, still nice and juicy. We're diving right in. I'm eating these just like chicken wings. Oh yeah, every little piece of meat. These came out really good. Still nice and juicy. Some delicious flavors from that garlic and that white wine and that lemon juice. Some spiciness from that Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. All these flavors just come together and pop in these frog legs. Like I said earlier, it kind of reminds me of a mixture of chicken and fish. The fishiness isn't a heavy fish flavor. It's more mild, almost comparable to gator. So good. The meat didn't come out chewy. It stayed nice and juicy. You can rip it right off the bone. When I bite into it, I get a lot of that lemon juice and that white wine. Frog legs are so good smoked. You gotta give them a shot. They're very versatile. You can put them in the smoker for half of the time and then fry them. A lot of people eat frog legs fried, or you can do it just like this and finish them on the grill. Either way, you're gonna have an awesome meal with these frog legs. Go throw some frog legs in your smoker. You're gonna love them. Stay tuned for the next video.